Have you ever wondered how your phone call reaches your friend on the other side of the world? Or how your internet connection magically brings you this video? The answer to these questions lies in a simple yet incredibly important concept: relay. What is a relay? Let's break it down. Imagine you're trying to pass a message to someone across a crowded room. You can't shout loud enough, so you whisper it to the person next to you. They pass it on to the next person, and so on, until the message reaches its destination. This chain of people passing on information is essentially a relay. In the world of technology, a relay is a device or system that receives a signal and retransmits it, often over a different channel or to a different location. It's like the middleman in a long-distance conversation. Types of relays. There are many different types of relays, each with its own specific function. Electrical relays. These are the classic relays you might find in older electronics. They use an electromagnetic coil to control a mechanical switch. When a current flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field that pulls the switch closed, completing an electrical circuit. Think of it as a tiny remote control for your electricity. Solid-state relays. These are more modern versions of electrical relays that use semiconductor devices instead of mechanical parts. They are faster, more reliable, and consume less power. Data relays. In the digital world, data relays are responsible for forwarding data packets across networks. Routers and switches are common examples of data relays. They determine the best path for data to travel and ensure it reaches its destination. Radio relays. These are used in telecommunications to transmit radio signals over long distances. They receive a signal from one point, amplify it, and retransmit it to the next relay station. This is how cellular networks and satellite communications work. Real-world applications. Relays are everywhere, even if you don't realize it. Telecommunications. From landline phones to mobile networks, relays are the backbone of communication. Internet. Routers and switches use relay technology to route data packets around the world. Automation. Relays are used in industrial control systems to automate processes. Automotive. Your car's electrical system relies on relays to control various components. How relays work together. To understand the power of relays, it's important to see how they work together. Imagine a relay race. Each runner passes the baton to the next, creating a continuous flow of energy and momentum. In the same way, relays and technology work together to create seamless connections and efficient systems. The future of relays. Technology is constantly evolving, and so are relays. We can expect to see even more advanced and efficient relay systems in the future. From faster internet speeds to smarter homes, relays will continue to play a crucial role in our lives. Conclusion. So, the next time you make a phone call, send an email, or turn on a light, take a moment to appreciate the relays that make it all possible. These unsung heroes of technology are the foundation of our connected world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.